The US markets have stopped rallying. In fact, we're seeing quite a pullback, not just in US equities, but also in gold. All of this is because of the Fed, and we talked a little bit about that. The Fed probably will hold rates in December, and the markets had fully priced in a cut for December. So it's quite a jarring situation. But as well, this week is important because we get earnings from Nvidia. Now, most analysts are quite comfortable with the outcome of Nvidia. They think there will be a beat and a raise in guidance. Question is how far they will raise this guidance and whether they point out anything new in terms of capacity. Now, having said that, the more important earnings that I am focusing on this week are actually from the big retail companies. So the retailers like Walmart, Target, TJX Maxx, and of course, Home Depot. Now, these companies, they will tell us the health of the consumer and where prices stand. So these are consumer staples, right? And they will be able to tell us whether they are ready to pass on higher prices because of the tariffs. Now, given that we haven't gotten a lot of data over the last 2 months from the US government, particularly retail sales data, these companies have come into focus, and people will be parsing each and every word that is said on the conference calls. So will I. I think it's important to keep an eye on the earnings releases for these big retailers and be mindful that there may be volatility throughout the week.